You keep posting YouTube videos, but your channel is not growing. Like anytime you post videos, you don't get views, you don't get subscribers and all that. I understand because I am also a small creator, so I understand how you feel. It's very frustrating. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down some of the mistakes that you might be doing that is hindering your growth. So don't blame the YouTube algorithm. It might be your strategy that is hindering your growth. So I'm going to be breaking the mistakes down, and most importantly, I'm going to give you ways to fix these mistakes. So please make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Like each and every part of the problem will be solved. So just stick with me and make sure you like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I make YouTube growth videos. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. So on today's video, we're talking about why your YouTube channel is not growing and how to fix it. And please, the third reason I'm going to be giving you why your channel is not growing is very, very important. So if I were you, I would stick around till that point. So let's break down the first mistake that YouTubers usually do, small YouTubers rather, usually do. So just ask yourself this question. Do you usually create videos that people want to see, or you just create videos that you feel like doing? You see this problem, small creators are usually guilty of this problem, including me. I usually do it sometimes. So instead of creating videos that you feel like creating, why not create videos that people actually want to see? Why not create videos that people are searching for? So when you start creating videos that people are searching for, you're going to start getting views, you're going to start getting engagement and all that. So I want you to stop creating videos that you feel like creating. I want you to go out there and look for tools like all these SEO tools that can help you come up with topics that people are searching for. Tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Morning Fame, even YouTube Studio Analytics. You can find trending topics there. So when you use these tools, you'd be able to find the topics that people are searching for. So you create videos that people want to see. Another advice I'm going to give you is to focus on successful channels in your niche. You know, those channels, those bigger channels that do the same thing as you can go to their channel and check out the things they are creating, the kind of videos they create. Then you can copy them. Like, I'm not saying you should copy their videos, just copy their style of creating content, copy the topics, and create your own video out of these topics. So instead of creating personal videos, I want you to create searchable videos, like videos that people are searching for every day on YouTube. You know, YouTube is like Google. People usually come to YouTube to search for how to do stuffs and all that. So instead of creating experimental videos or personal videos, try to create searchable videos, because when people don't search for your videos, nobody will see that video, nobody will watch your video. That is why you're getting low views. So try to create searchable videos and try to like watch other successful creators that create the same thing as you, creators that are in your niche. Copy them and do the same thing they are doing. The next mistake that small creators usually do is the thumbnail mistake. When your thumbnail is not attractive, people will not watch your videos. People will not even click on your videos. Your CTR will be very low. And if your CTR is below 5%, you need to work on your thumbnail. You need to design your thumbnail in a very attractive way. So the other day I was on Facebook, like all these YouTube groups on Facebook. I was on that group scrolling, and somebody was complaining that they've been on YouTube for the past 5 years, 5 years, 5 years, and they've not been monetized. They've not like gotten 500 subscribers. They had 200 subscribers for the past 5 years. So I was like, what the hell? I had to go to the person's channel on YouTube, and I had to visit the channel. So as I was scrolling through the channel, I noticed that the person's thumbnail design was so bad. Like if I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw that person's video, I would not watch the video. So the thumbnail design was so bad, and small creators usually complain that people are not clicking their videos. Meanwhile, your thumbnail is very, very bad. Try to design your thumbnail in a very attractive way. You can use tools like Canva, CapCut. You know, there are so many tools out there that you can use to design your thumbnail, or you can pay somebody to design it for you. Thumbnail is very important because it is the first thing that somebody will see. It is the first thing that a viewer will see and decide to watch your video. So try to design your thumbnail in a very attractive way. And when you design it in a very attractive way, you start getting clicks. People will start clicking on your videos and start watching your video. So whenever you see people not watching your videos, try to design your thumbnail. Try to change your thumbnail. You can use the A and B testing stuff and design your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very, very important. You see, it is the first thing that somebody will see. So try to make it attractive. The colors should be like bright, it should be popping, the font should be bold, the picture, the facial expressions, and all that. If you know Mr. Beast is one of the most popular YouTubers that we have in the world. So if you go to his channel, you would see how he designs his thumbnail. His thumbnail is very, very attractive. Like, if I had the kind of things like gadgets he has, I would be designing my thumbnail that way because it is very, very attractive. Your thumbnail is like, it should be very attractive because that is what will make somebody to click your videos. So try to design your thumbnail and your videos will start getting clicks. Getting people to click your video is one thing. Then getting them to watch, like getting them to keep on watching your video, is another problem, is another thing. So if people don't spend time watching a video, if people don't watch your video, if people leave your video too soon, YouTube won't recommend your video to a wider audience. So if your click-through rate, if your audience retention is low, just forget about it. That video will not go viral. It won't go viral. So try to master the arts of audience retention. You know, audience retention, I've already done a video about it, but I'll just tell you some few things that you need to know about audience retention. So your audience retention, if you want to create videos, try to include a strong hook. A strong hook. I'm not going to break down what that is. So just watch the video I've done before on audience retention, then you understand better. So try to include a strong hook at the beginning of your video. It is very important that you include that strong hook because that is what will, just like the name implies, hook. It will hook your viewers to their screen. They will watch you till the end of your video. So after including that strong hook, try to go straight to the point. All those unnecessary intros, all those unnecessary things, those fillers, you need to cut them out. Don't add them, especially all those intros where you add your pictures, the name of your channel, and all that. The name of your channel is there already. Your pictures are there already. Nobody wants to see your picture. Nobody wants to see all those things. They want value. So just go straight to the point and give them what they want. When you do all these things, your videos will start getting views. Your audience retention will go high. It will skyrocket, and YouTube will start recommending your videos to a wider audience. So your audience retention plays a huge role. It plays a huge role. Like, you need to make sure that your audience retention is high. Then again, after posting your videos, try to be checking your YouTube studio, your YouTube analytics. When you check your YouTube analytics, try to check your audience retention. So if your audience retention is low, try to work on your delivery. So I've already done a video on how to improve your audience retention and your click-through rate. So when you're done with this video, try to watch the video. I'm going to leave a link in my description box so you can go there and click the video and watch the video so you can understand how to like improve these two things better. And also you can add visuals, animations, you know, all those stock videos and stock images to your videos to make it more engaging. I'm not saying it's like compulsory. Like me, for example, I don't usually add it. So just try to create good videos. And when you create good videos, you will not need to add all those things to your videos. That is the truth. So now that you know the problem, you know the mistakes, the issues at hand, it's time to fix it. Just try to create videos, like videos with low competition and high search volume. Try to research for like trending topics and all that within your niche. And when you do it, you start getting views. Try to design your thumbnail to be very, very attractive. Then your CTR will boost, your CTR will improve. Then also master the art of audience retention. When you do these three things, your videos will start, like you start seeing some improvements. I'm not saying that you start seeing like high views immediately, but at least you'll be seeing some improvements. YouTube is very, very difficult. YouTube is not easy at all. It is very, very difficult. And whoever tells you that YouTube is not difficult, that person is lying. YouTube is very, very hard. And I understand because I am passing through the same thing. I am a small creator like you. So try to keep on going. Just try to improve. Try to like do things like all the mistakes that I listed in this video. Try to improve them. And when you improve them, your videos will start like changing. You start seeing some good changes in your channel. So just do it and don't ever give up. The biggest mistake you will make is to give up on your channel. I know when you post videos, you get low views, people are not commenting and all that. It is part of the process. So just keep on going. Let me just inspire you. Keep on going. I've seen so many creators, YouTube creators, that started for years and finally they got what they wanted. They did not give up. So don't even try to give up. Giving up is the worst mistake you'd ever do. So just keep on going. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. like and subscribe. Support this channel by subscribing, and make sure you comment. Let me hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think. So just do it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check this video out, showing on your screen.